¿Qué quiere?
This is David with an engineered wood flooring project. We've gone ahead and remodeled most of the house, but for this segment we just want to show off some of our work with engineered wood flooring. And this is in Flower Mound, home in Flower Mound. So go ahead and look at the different details, the baseboards. The way we did the floor on a 45, it's very, very difficult to lay a floor on a 45 like this coming in through the front door. And of course, we did the stairs as well. So if you're interested in engineered wood flooring and you live anywhere in Texas, we can come out and give you an in-home estimate and we can install it for you, or we can just sell you the material. If you live outside of the states of Texas, we can go ahead and ship the material directly to you. So give us a call at the number below, 214-780-1883. This is David with Texas Best Flooring Company, Flower Mound, Texas. Have a great day.